Did you know iOS and Android owns 97% of the global mobile market share? So chances are your smartphone possibly runs one of these two operating systems. These two operating systems are different from one another not just on the development and manufacturing level, but even in terms of design and marketing strategy. So, how do you make the right choice between iOS and Android? Today we examine the relative strengths of each mobile platform so you can choose the best one for you the next time you want to buy a smartphone. Here's what you need to know to make an informed decision. Apple's iOS is a proprietary mobile operating system owned by Apple that can only be installed on Apple devices, used on the iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, iPod Nano, and Apple TV. Android, which is used in different varieties of smartphones, laptops, tablets, and TV boxes such as Google TV, produced by various manufacturers, including Samsung, Motorola, HTC, LG, Acer, Asus, and Sony Ericsson. Let's go through some features of both systems to help find out what your best options are if you are thinking of getting a new smartphone. Both iOS and Android use touch interfaces that share many features, such as swiping, tapping, and pinch and zoom. And both operating systems start with a home screen. So while an iOS home screen consists solely of rows of app icons that includes a dock where users can save their most frequently used app, an Android screen allows the use of widgets which display auto-updating information such as the weather, clock, and email. On both the iOS and Android operating systems, a status bar runs across the top, providing information such as the time, Wi-Fi or cell signal, and battery life. And on Android, the status bar also displays the number of newly received emails, messages, and reminders. 4G cellular network can be enjoyed on both the iOS and Android devices, an important feature for surfing the internet. Some exclusive features of the iOS include AirDrop, iMessage, and app offloading, sharing Wi-Fi passwords, and setting up new devices. The AirDrop allows you to share files, pictures, videos, and links from one iPhone to any other Apple device through Bluetooth. The iMessage feature handles both SMS messages to a non-Apple device and Apple-supported chat. Also coupled with Apple Pay, you can simply send and receive money via iMessage. So for example, if you need to send some cash to a friend to purchase an item, iMessage makes it easy with Apple Pay. The app offloading feature allows your iPhone to automatically identify apps that you do not use and removes them from the device. But the data from the removed apps are retained and you can reinstall them back whenever you want to. By simply holding two devices together, you can easily share your Wi-Fi password whenever you want to. It is that simple. Another feature is how Apple makes it very easy to switch phones by importing apps, data, passwords, and settings, either from an old iPhone to a new iPhone or for when you just want to switch phones. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe. That way you can get all the information you need. And now some exclusive Android features include a split screen that iOS only allows for iPads, while Android allows this feature for phones. Alongside the 32 or 64 GB storage your phone may have, Android gives you an extra micro SD card to expand your storage up to 1 TB more. Android makes it easy to add widgets and customize the layout of your home screen to suit your preference. For file management, Android allows you to choose a file manager and have access to the file system. So imagine how easy you can share files such as music videos, pictures, music, and document by just plugging in your Android device into a PC to access the file system, where you can easily drag and drop files from the phone to the PC and vice versa. Hope you've been enjoying the video so far. Stick around to find out what information might influence your choice of smartphone operating system. Android users get apps from Google Play, while iOS users get apps from the Apple App Store, where most of the popular apps are available for both platforms. iOS have Siri's voice assistant, while Android have Google Assistant. iOS devices come with 34 languages and Android devices come with 100+ languages. Android's web browser is Google Chrome and iOS is Safari. Both internet browsers are comparable in terms of quality and functionality. And while Google Chrome is also available for iOS and Safari, Safari, however, is not available for Android devices. Most Android phones are equipped with large batteries with longer life. Apple batteries, however, are not generally large but are able to present a decent battery life via hardware-software optimizations. They both have power-saving modes that can help you save battery life. Apps are available to help you back up photos and videos on Android devices such as Google Photos, OneDrive, Amazon Photos, and Dropbox. Google Photos in particular allows you to back up unlimited photos and videos at a compressed quality. And for iOS, with iCloud, you can back up to 5 GB of photos and videos automatically, and more iCloud storage is available through a paid subscription. Google, Amazon, Dropbox, Flickr, and Microsoft are also auto backup apps for both iOS and Android. Android software is available for many manufacturers, including Samsung, LG, and others, which may cause some quality issues in lower priced phones. However, iOS is strictly controlled by Apple, and there is no quality issue due to the limited number of models. And finally, pricing. This one is simple. iPhones are expensive. The third-generation iPhone SE is priced at $429. The most expensive iPhone, excluding status symbols like the Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond Edition, cost $48.5 million. The iPhone 13 Pro Max also cost $1,599. The Android Pixel 6 Pro, on the other hand, cost $1,099, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cost $1,299. You can, however, get a perfectly functional Android phone for much less money. The bottom line here is, you just have to pick the smartphone that best suits your budget and needs. So, what is it going to be? iOS or Android? Well, that's all. Thanks for watching today's video. See you in our next video.